In this discussion, you can see how to read the data from Excel file using Python language. Going to editor, creating a new file, read from Excel.py file, and simply we are using here is xlrd package. If like this package is not available in your system, you can also install using pip command. First of all, we have to read this student.xlx file and going to directory. So we are just trying to read data from this student.xlx file. Close this one and going to editor. Simply we are using like stud object equal to first of all we have to open that student file using xlrd dot open workbook, and here we have to use this student.xlsx extension stud_data stud index equal to, after that stud object dot sheet by index. You can also add you can also read from Excel sheet name. So after that we have to execute one loop to get data one by one, like for loop student in using range to get a number of records, like stud index dot end rows, print, after that student index row, and here we are using this student. Now going to execute the Python file, Python read from Excel. You can see this format is also still incorrect, like this extra text one we have to remove from both, like student name as well as into mark. So what we have to do is, like here student of 0 dot value, that's it. It will come the first one, and again as a 1, as a 0, student name student1, student2, this is under 0 index, and the second one is like marks 40 and these digits, it will comes into the index 1, and simply we have to use as a value. So it will automatically remove this text colon, this it will replace this one, and we are just simply getting the correct data. Okay, so you can see like this way you can also print, and the format is not still incorrect. I'm just copying this one, giving some space and remove this extra print statement and execute the same. Like this is our header part, this is student 1 and 40 marks. So like this way you can also read any xlx file using xlrd package. I hope you understood this one, and in case you have any doubt, please comment below, and see you in next video.